You got a nice fight coming up between Raymond Muratalla and Zohar Abdullaev. Many people believe Zohar Abdullaev might be a favorite in this fight, but I heavily disagree. This guy has big right, which is true. He destroyed Juan Carrasco in later stages, in later rounds. But Muratalla is the next level. Literally, Muratalla is the next level, and interim IBF World Lightweight title fight. I believe it's gonna be a one-sided ass whooping where Raymond Muratalla will be swinging the hammer. I doubt he is going to knock out Abdullaev. Abdullaev has very good chin. I mean, let's be honest. The guy has very good chin in TC. But there is a big difference between these two fellas, and Muratalla is mighty, powerful, longer, he's got greater reach. He's better everywhere. Abdullaev's only chance would be some kind of a lucky punch, which I don't see happen. But you never know. I mean, I'm not counting him out, but I am pretty confident in Raymond Muratalla to win potentially decision.